Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as I told you my previous video, I am going to show you something veg cutlet recipe, and here I came with that veg cutlet recipe. This veg cutlet recipe I have prepared with banana flour. Banana flour nowadays is very rare, hardly used in our day-to-day life because it's little hard to cut and chop. In this video I am going to show you how to cut banana flour and how to make this cutlet. In Bengali, this banana flour we are saying mocha, and this is Bengali mocha chop. It's a very famous dish, and winter time has already come, so with our tea time we can enjoy with this. So come, let's start making it. So here is our banana flower or banana blossom, and I will be removing all the petals till end until we will get a yellow color petals. And here we can see a bunch of florets, and we need to remove all these florets. And here we have to continue the same process until we will get a yellow color petals. And see friends, we have to remove all these florets and we have to clean it separately. Now I am keeping aside. Before that I am going to remove all the florets from this banana flower. After collecting all the florets, now I will remove this hard stamen, and this plastic sheet type is there, that one we cannot cook that. And in this way we have to remove all the hard stamen from the floret. I'll show you one more time. See, this head is looking like little bird type, and see these plastic sheets, both the things we have to remove. After removing that hard stamen and these plastic sheets, the floret will look like this. So we have to follow this process, and slowly and very gently we need to remove this. After finishing this, I am going to chop all these florets, and I will soak it for one night with salt and water. If you don't want to soak it one night, you can soak it at least for 1 or 2 hours with salt, turmeric, water. But this one I already soaked. Now this is second day. I am going to add little more salt and turmeric and mustard oil. I will put in pressure cooker. I will make 2 or 3 whistles. Then I will cook this. If we soak this, we can reduce the black color. Now we will see the other ingredients. Here I have one boiled potato, green chilies and crushed ginger. Next I am adding chili flakes. This is homemade chili flakes. Taste, the spices is always depends upon your taste. How much you want you can add. This can be more or less. And now I am adding the black salt, and this is मैगी मसाला, that वो नॉर्मल जो मैगी का मसाला आता है उसके साथ थोड़ा सा चिली पाउडर मिक्स करके मैंने डाला है। और ये थोड़ा सा शुगर फ्री है, आप चाहो तो शुगर भी ऐड कर सकते हो। और ये नॉर्मल सॉल्ट है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट। दिस इज़ गरम मसाला I am adding now, and chopped coriander. Here I am adding this much of masala and 2 tablespoons of corn flour I am going to add now. In this recipe I am not adding onion and garlic, but if you like to add you can add. Spices can be more or less as per your choice, and if you want little more flavor in this you can add roasted jeera powder. Now we will mix all these ingredients very well. In this mixture we will not add water. Now it is looking very dry, but once we will add our banana flour, it will not be so dry. As you can see, our banana flour already boiled and cooked. Now we will mash it very well first, this banana flour, and then we will add with this mixture. As per your requirement, we can increase the quantity of all the masalas. Now all the ingredients we will mix it very well. If we feel like it is not binding properly, so we can add little more corn flour or maida, anything. Our mixture is almost ready to fry. We will mix it little more and we'll go to the next process. Now I am taking 2 tablespoons of corn flour and I am going to add water in this. We'll make a thin batter with this. एक थोड़ा सा पतला घोल जैसा बनाना है, क्योंकि उसके वो जो पकोड़ा है और चॉप है उसको ऊपर एक हल्का सा कोटिंग आएगा, इसके लिए. And now this way I'm going to make all the pakoras. As you can see, as per your choice, you can give a shape. It's not mandatory, but usually we are giving like this kind of long shapes. You can give a round shape also. I am giving in this way. As we can see, I have kept ready 4 pieces, and now I am going to dip this inside this corn flour and water mixture, and then I will keep it in breadcrumbs, and we will coat the breadcrumbs very evenly for each and every sides. Follow the same process for other one also. And in this way we will mix the breadcrumbs properly. For each and every sides we will mix. एंड एक्स्ट्रा ब्रेड क्रम्स ना हम थोड़ा वो ड्रेंस कर लेंगे, वो थोड़ा झाड़ के निकाल लेंगे. देखिए इस तरह से आप अगर उसको थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करोगे ना तो ये ऑटोमेटिक निकल जाएगा जो भी एक्स्ट्रास है. सो वी विल फॉलो द सेम थिंग. और यहाँ पे आप एक चीज़ नोटिस कर सकते हो कि मैं अपना एक ही हाथ एक ही काम में लगा रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं अपना दोनों हाथों का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आई एम यूजिंग बिकॉज ना अगर आप एक हाथ में अगर दोनों काम करोगे ना तो वो ब्रेड क्रम्स जो है वो कॉर्नफ्लावर के मिक्सचर के अंदर आ जाएगा और उसका कलर पूरा चेंज होकर वो अजीब सा हो जाएगा. और वैसे बहुत हाथ भी बहुत गंदे हो जाते हैं. तो इस तरह से अगर आप दोनों हाथों का यूज़ करते हो तो इजी रहेगा आपको करने में, बार बार हाथ धोना नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड यहाँ पे हमने कढ़ाई रख दिया, तेल ऑलमोस्ट गर्म हो चुका है और मैं अभी ये सारे चॉप्स को इसके अंदर डाल दूँगी और एक एक करके फ्राई कर लूँगी. एंड आवर चॉप इज़ ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग आउट दिस ऑन द किचन टॉवल. I have fried all the chops. Now I am going for plating. Our mocha chop and banana blossom cutlet is ready. I am serving this with some salad, cucumber and tomato. You can enjoy this chop with tea or coffee. And you share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for that. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And you share this video with your friends and families. Thank you for watching.